Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Happy Friday. Today I have a special unboxing for you from Diamond Art Club. Excited? This one's a blue strip, so it's a square drill. And this one I purchased especially for Halloween. Let me see. Da, da, da. Scardy Cats. This is by Jeff Haney. It is a 71 by 56, super awesome image of some black cats around a pumpkin. I actually have diamond painted this image 2 years ago when I originally started diamond painting. This was a canvas that I had picked up, and I don't even know where it was, but it was a small, like 30 by 40, I think. I'll have to see if I can find it in my stash of completed paintings. And it was my absolute favorite because I love black cats, I love Halloween, I love fall. And it was so cute. So as soon as I saw, at that time I had no idea about the legally licensed artwork, and I don't think he was licensed. Oh, I don't know. I had seen the image, I purchased it. I wasn't doing videos at that time. So cute. Here is our little sticker. This one I want to say is a lot darker in color than the original one that I did. So I know it's going to look different anyways because this is a full drill square, and the one that I had done was just a round drill. I don't think it's a partial. Don't even remember now. So cute. So cute. This is 46 colors. That is a lot. And this is so different. The symbols that they've used on this one. Take a look at that. Doesn't that look a little different to you guys? Some of the symbols are the same, but I don't know, some of them are different. So just quickly, our toolkit here. We have a ton of baggies, our clear tray, 2 heart-shaped wax, and a blue squishy that is totally squished. And we do have the thin fork placer, which is my favorite. And then we also have a blue pen and the sharp tweezers. So let me just get that back in there. I will have enough sharp tweezers for the rest of my life. Okay, let's move that to the side. This is one that I'm actually going to kit up because this is the next Diamond Art Club painting that I'm going to be working on for Halloween, just for myself, because I love it. Super soft canvas. Oh, so excited. So excited, guys. Ooh, my drills are coming out there. Ah, they're so cute. They're just so cute. We do have some instructions in case you don't know how to diamond paint. We have our drills. The colors are gorgeous. They do come labeled to match your canvas in case you want to store them separately. Oh, so thrilled. Look at that. Aren't they cute? Look at their little faces. Oh my God. The fall leaves down at the bottom. And the pumpkin with his mean face. So adorable. Let's give you a little close-up of the drill field. Nice and clear. Super glossy and sticky. And then your legend on both sides. Look at those little faces. Come on. Say, take me home. All right. A little bit of crinkling noise here. I think there is only one AB. Would be really cool if it was glow in the dark. That would be awesome, but it is not. So zoom in a little. Start with these big packages. We have 3 packages of 814, which is a really deep burgundy, really pretty color. 2 of the 550 purple. 2 of the 155 with the lilac. 2 498s, which is more of like a red. It's a rose red. We have 3 of the 400 rust color. 3 of the 3371, which is very dark brown. We have 1 package of 939, our navy blue, and 2 smaller packages of 310. And then we have a 333 here. Oh, we have a second 333, so 2 of the purple. 327, 2 of the 210, which is the nice lilac. A 301, 2 of the 3746. The purples in this are going to be gorgeous. Look at that bright orange. 947, 666, 898, E742. That should be glow in the dark. If it starts with an E. Interesting. Oh, it's down at the bottom of the, so that should be glow in the dark, the E742, and then here's the 132, which is the AB. If you don't know about AB, it's Aurora Borealis. This has the extra coating on the drill to make it super sparkly and rainbow and give you some extra colors in there. That color is so pretty. Then we have 780, 211, 3776, 938, 818, 150, 355, and 3830. And there's one more set here of the little tiny ones. We have some 606, 823, which is a navy, 3731, 321, 3826, 740. So that's the regular 740. That is not, oh, this is 742. Look at that. So pretty. 209, 728, 961, 600, 3350, 3733, some 3865, which are white, 797, 779, 783, 336, 208, 782, and 307. All right, so our 2 special drills. The Aurora Borealis is the number 1 on our legend, and then the glow in the dark, the E742, is this dot. So let me zoom back out. You're so cute. So those 2 are the exact insides of the eyes and the mouth. So we have glow in the dark is going to be on the insides, and Aurora Borealis is going to edge the insides. We do have some AB drills on some of the leaves here. There's some accents on the leaves. And nothing in their eyes. I might have to do something with the eyes. We will see. Because I do have some sparklers for squares. I don't know. We'll see. It's gonna be gorgeous. Absolutely love them. So that is it for our special Halloween canvas. We will have one more Halloween canvas. I'd say it's Halloween, but it could be it could be other. You'll see. Stay tuned. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.